Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafra soldier. God save my soul. Let me go and fight for my people.
We are still expecting the general to get ready for his speech while we listen to the song of the 2nd Mechanized Brigade, Ubakala, Umaya Province.
I want to fight for Biafra right. God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafra soldier. God save my soul. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafra right. To fight for Biafra freedom. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafra right. Oh Lord. Eternal life. Eternal life. I want to fight for Biafra right. God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafra soldier. God save my soul. Oh my Savior. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafra right. To fight for Biafra freedom.
All right, let's move to the general command.
NG.
Dead before dishonor.
Dead before dishonor.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Good morning. They take our lives and condemn us to unending suffering. Regrettably, Biafrans have warrant chiefs appointed by the occupational government in the name of governors, senators, and representatives, and also ministers. It is obvious that they have failed. Politicians appointed over Biafrans have failed to prevent loss of lives, political and economic strangulation of our people. We also have it on good conviction that the people have rejected the servants of the caliphate called political leaders. That is political liars. Biafran Supreme Military Council of Administration is emphatic on a military operation against facilitators and major actors working with the murderers of our people. They oversaw the massacre of our people at Mpo, Aba, Bayelsa, Rivers, even in Eda, Ohofia, and other places. Therefore, BNG is today dissolving all forms of authorities given to them by the caliphate. The officials of the legislative, executive arms of the occupational government of Nigeria are hereby declared persona non grata and shall be treated as enemies of the people if excising authorities, convoys, or motorcades of the occupational government in a bid to discharge authorities shall be seen as a threat to the people of Biafra. Finally, BNG shall draft and communicate duly to end taxation. I repeat myself again. Finally, BNG shall draft and communicate duly to end taxations by the occupational government of Nigeria. Hence, taxes collected are used to buy guns and bullets to kill us. It is important to terminate revenue. It is very, very important, to terminate revenue generation for the occupational government in due time. In due time. In due time, we shall communicate new measures. BNG is determined to create a satisfactory environment for the people of Biafra. Revenue generation under the government of Biafra shall be handled by adjutants of our already declared that one provinces of Biafra as Nigeria cease to exist under the provincial government of Biafra. Edifices for executive and legislative functions shall be targeted to force the enemies out of our redeclared territory. Certainty. Thanks and remain resolute. Long live state of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Long live state of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Long live state of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
All right, the General Commanding Officer, the head of provinces, has just finished with his speech, and this speech is quite massive, and it's gonna be something that will shake when implemented. It will shake places, and it will shake people. After the parade, we'll take a closer look at the speech. Yeah, a strong-worded speech of the general himself.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do where to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.